Good morning, Bubagra. It is my suggestion and request. Let us do our movement, peaceful movement, step by step. First, I suggest all the youth and warrior of Tiprasa party. First step will be long march from Chabrum to Choraibari. Peaceful long march. Second step, we can have a dharna, peaceful dharna, maybe in Khumulung or Agartala. Third, we can have a hunger strike, mass hunger strike, so that we can mobilize the people. Our voice, our grievances can be reached to the common people as well as to New Delhi. Thank you, Maharaj. Hambai.